a special training we're going to be holding next month on the secrets of the winning trader. This is going to be a very unique training that applies to everyone, regardless of what style you trade or what trade you happen to be trading. And since the concepts of winning are universal across trading strategies, they obviously apply to everyone who trades. This training is going to be available to anyone who shares their opinions and feedback with us for free, whether they're a member or not. But while the training is going to be available to anyone, it's not going to be available to everyone. The training is not going to be made available at any cost to those who do not share their opinions and feedback with us, regardless of their membership level. The choice is yours. Realize that our goal here is to create competent, confident, successful traders in the quickest, most effective way possible. I believe this goal is to your benefit, especially if you're a member. This means that your vote counts, because based on your answers, we are going to be changing things. We're going to be doing more of what's effective. We're possibly going to be adding some things. We're also going to be getting rid of some things that are not effective and not particularly interesting to people. So now is your chance to help us to help you. This is the way to do it, because I need the feedback. This opportunity to fill out this survey and get access to the training is only going to be available for 1 week. So make sure you don't miss out. Get your opinions in as soon as possible.